Anybody with a fully loaded four-wheel drive needs to do this. I've done quite a few modifications to the back of the D-Max. Quite a bit more weight up here, and of course, bigger tyres. Now, let me explain it like this. Bigger tyres make it a lot harder to stop. Think of a skateboard wheel spinning as fast as it possibly can versus a 31-inch mud terrain tyre spinning as fast as it possibly can. The bigger tyre is going to take a considerable amount more force to stop. Secondly, I've added bar work. A full-size canopy, I've got a 12-volt system, I've got a battery, a fridge, plus all my camping gear. All that would weigh around 500 kilograms plus. I bet plenty of you would be surprised just how much weight you've added with all the accessories you've fitted.
See, the Bendix brakes pulled up my D-Max 14 metres earlier than the standard brakes. The only way to get your four-wheel drive to stop like it used to before you added the weight is to upgrade your brakes using this kit here from Bendix. For more information, why don't you visit bendix.com.au.